17 months ago, we believe we have instilled in you certain skills and virtues which will help you overcome some of the challenges that you may meet in the world out there. You have experienced the helping hand of God and improved your relationship with God. There are many more challenges waiting to spring into your life. These will bring about changes in your lifestyle. But be assured that even though you change, your Heavenly Father does not change, and He will strengthen you. Remember the following. Remember, you have a unique gift given by God. So perfect that gift and make it available to others. Don't give up when you go out there and fail in something. Don't resign or despair, but persevere. Failure is not the opposite of success. It is part of your success. Be like the weed in your compound. A weed is a plant that has mastered every survival skill. You run on it, and the next time it is up. Go out there and face the challenges that come your way. Persevere. God will bless you to achieve your dreams. God bless you. I give thanks to God for to my God who gave me the dream, who taught me through the children that every dream must have a plan. To the members of the board who gave their assent, and to my loved one, Jofus, who looked at the dream and planned and said, let's do it, Beatrice. God is on our side. To the teachers and all students who find themselves in the middle of this dream and are gingered to pursue their own dreams, I say, God bless you. Keep the flame alight. Keep the legacy alive. Dream and dream until you achieve your dream, and your dreams become your wings for your flight to the next step that God is going to take you. Thank you, and continue to dream. God bless you.
We are gathered here to witness the graduation of a remarkable group of students from the Department of Cosmetology, Catering and Hospitality, and Garment Making. My dear fellow graduates, today marks the end of one defining chapter and the dawn of a beautiful journey. You walk through the gates of this institution with dreams, determination, and hope. Through discipline, sleepless nights, endless practical sessions, and sheer perseverance, you have successfully reached this memorable milestone. To my colleagues in cosmetology, you have learned that your craft is about far more than enhancing beauty. It is about building confidence and self-esteem in others. Your hands have been trained with creativity, professionalism, and excellence. The beauty industry is waiting for your talent to shine. To my colleagues in catering and hospitality, you have mastered the art of service, presentation, teamwork, and genuine warmth. You have learned that good food and exceptional hospitality create unforgettable experiences. The world needs your passion, your skills, and your professionalism. And to my colleagues in garment making, you have turned new fabric into fashion, creativity into art, and imagination into reality. Your dedication and craftsmanship have fully equipped you to make an unforgettable mark on the fashion industry. As we step out into the world beyond these walls, let us remember that true success is not measured by certificates alone. It is anchored in our character, humility, discipline, consistency, and a lifelong willingness to keep learning. Never despise small beginnings. Build your careers on honesty and excellence. There will be undoubtable challenges along the way, but do not give up. Let your skills speak for you. Let your attitude open doors for you. And let your integrity sustain you. Always believe in yourself and trust that with determination and God guidance, greater opportunities await you. Today, we wear our graduation gowns with pride, but tomorrow we must wear responsibility, professionalism, and excellence every single day. Go out and be true ambassadors of this institution. Go and impact your communities positively and create opportunities not only for yourselves, but for others. This achievement was a collective effort, and we owe a massive debt of gratitude to our parents and our guardians. Thank you for your endless sacrifices, your prayers, and your unwavering support throughout this journey. This milestone belongs to you just as much as it belongs to us. And to our principal, Professor Jofus Anamo Mensah, thank you, Daddy, for your immense patience, guidance, and visionary leadership. To our hard-working teaching and non-teaching staff, thank you for your patience, commitment, and dedication in shaping us into skilled professionals. You made our stay here truly memorable. To anyone watching us today who is looking to build a bright future, let this graduation be your sign. We call on all prospective students to make the Grace Hill School of Technology your school of choice, irrespective of your age, gender, location, or academic level. You can enroll in any of our programs, and you'll be incredibly glad you did. To our honorable guests, thank you for making the time to celebrate with us. Congratulations, class of 2026. May your future be bright, fruitful, and filled with endless possibility. God bless you all richly. GHIST, empowering people, bringing hope to all.
Video ya wo hwe eye video Coastal TV ye ko twaye ewo GHIST eye Grace Hill School of Technology ebra na omoye graduation ceremony ama adesuafo bi a omawie school na wosimi se ade a fe pa na anopa ye ba bedi nkomo no de doors bebre na wo ho nti bomode ansa obegi akonya na ontwe ho mfi TV set no ho eye channel 514 digital and also say o share wo Facebook any YouTuber bomode say o share the link no na amanfo nso enhu say Coastal TV morning mix jumedie nsuo mu awiamu ye da ho aye wo ha nti bomode ansa oni ye ebetna na anopa nkoma ye ba bedi no eye tietia and simple and important inti no mene wa nka me nsori nko baby asan se ebeboa me no mienu ye dachi se ye kase technology ese no obi a ye technology niema ye nka ne technology mpo bi me ka ne technology na che se zimu se technology no eye adwuma nkasa niema bebre e na eba system nim abefo niema ne ade and ewiase no ekonanim no nipa bebre amayate asese technology eni ho a se skills training eni ho a ewiase na ebetosin enye book no nko book no so ka ho na emom se enye se yakotena office abota ya ekukuntan no nko na eno na ye adwuma na emom dia other aspects nso a wo se yehwe na yedi nkomo na ye mo manfo so hu se this is the new normal we ni akwan foforo aba na obi a efa so nti se beboa wo hwe na se wo wo sa hoden na wafa ko bi sanity enti no anopa mensa kan mpanyfo mienu e wo fie ha se ya me no mo eba be ye mpensempense mu ya chechire wo nsem bia ni so na onso wanya ho enti ase me wo mame Juliana SERWAAH ACHEAMPONG ena misanso e wo mame LUCINDA SEYRAM omumieni nyina eye achechefo e wo GHIST Grace Hill School of Technology ena mensa komo e wo fie on say omoba o screen so dey omo say fe nice omo te wo sa no just so say ne no nkomo ni mu be hwam sa na tie mpem for mama akwaba eba Coastal TV eso I hope say nsuo no anhwemo okwan so de nsuo na anhwemo o ye da ya mi ase last weekend mi ani mo anu nkomo nsuo ya ntia o nsuo ya ntia na de mani age pa say yetimi ba be di sa nkomo a eti say once again ya mama akwaba Yo. Na yempese bese mbebre na monso motimi akotwa mo dwumadi esinti no yen dive into the conversation for eneno. Medical can just me na misa chire mu say Grace Hill School of Technology. Yes also show mu video kakra my graduation ne ade ya kan vocational training ya ka technology. What's no dawson ya mese nyina album. Nemo say ya kase GHIST and Grace Hill School of Technology. Me shall say from me right hand side because when I obey me see Mommy Juliana mo school no day school Rebecca say mo ye den ho okay me so me da se pa obi aje also
so Grace Hill School of Technology a school your principal and wife Madam Mrs. Beatrice Anna Mwamensa ono na onya vision bi say opese oboa young women on central region.
Okay.
So we started by bringing people from the market. It is oko Jones or Kodija. Now almost a young girl in Namhona say almost on Namhonia share now the Nabishi.
Okay.
So we started free. It's not Ocho almost sending our baby.
Okay.
Sending our baby Adriani. It's Oye Nissan Kankakana on Jishi.
Okay.
Nti echi na oyes okay. Se na be ya e bedi mu no. Nti was from family friends.
Okay.
So that omebua amani vision na abemunti. Omo bua na e ma bibia etimi also. Nti echi na etimi be ya kesi. Nti e nkaka from helping people. Office say oboa mo nyansa njuma. That she be almost so betting about for so I'm a central region any Ghana in Tisana Grace Estati.
Okay.
Na a new my year Grace no. You catering.
Okay.
You check catering. Until back catering na. You were 3 aspect things are you catering. You oma omiedian. Until Selba Grace School of Technology now to be catering na. You were 3 aspects. Until by Ebema say. Adriana na nyasa wo nu aduane keke it show send na obitimi anu ayankasa ye local food any abrofo de no so both local and continental food ana ye show more fruit juice smoothies ana ice creams nti yes ani mawe na omo ye pastries ni so ye show mo send na omo ye different kinds of pastries and sana ye omo ye cake decoration and sugar craft. Also, a bet show senior, ye bake cake, send a decorate birthday cake, wedding cake, anniversary cake. Nina be your honor, and now your cosmetology department. A also a chair makeup, send a yeti, nails, and I eat barbering, now. And then we have fashion and garment making, yes. Also, a pomade, all kinds of fashion design. So, omopam wedding dress, casual wig, wear, and then niakanina. Yes. I will never win. I will Grace so yes.
School mo shall say time being.
Grace so started the year 2010.
Okay.
Yes, by the late Mrs. Beatrice Anna Mensa.
Oh, I'm funny can say.
Amen.
Okay. Is it say no why na extra school no so?
Okay, so say no a principal Professor Jofusa Anna Mensa. Ono in charge of the school, that's our principal. Yes, and then administrator is Madam Gifty sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. LUCINDA, my member Mami Juliana ekasa no or say school no esha say na for young girls I bia unihwe ye na opese udo pese usua ade nko ade a ye do be school graduation no so me hu say emema share graduation camp masesa a curriculum na na say
okay me da say nchia ahwefo nyina
obi ajoso
nti the vision started for young ladies and you say keep course and central region so dey a ban school yena in Ghana we top when it comes to schools but we share the reporter I said their schools are kese no ha so e krom for enye na egu schools ni enye keep course for na egu schools ni ko fu fin cry ni Kumasi and then the other parts of the nation rather feel the schools into no ye ma me hu say the younger girls are just wasting away, and then with the high levels of teenage pregnancy as well, you know, she had a heart for saving these young ladies.
Okay.
But as the school was progressing, as the school who said, you bet me be man bear masukram problem because any bear be a keep because be an person couple and I saw person dog and I saw person or call a fitting shop and I said be no home person musia de. Okay. Into no young papa prof and who say you bet me I register school in such a way that who are once found 9 crown fancy classroom than you bet me I'm very basic teachers. Okay, so as a school we registered with the Commission of Technical Vocational Education Institute into that's the CTVET. Into CTVET, you know, am I inquiring sure the basic things apart from insano ejuma into by the time we finish school no na actual English kakra, na actual math kakra, na actual science kakra. Into no when you step out you are just like a B or we call GSS up onto SHS. Into you who say enye adibia na ebenya dia we SHS and also we GSS you will be so on school da na ye person wanted to make room for all of them. Into no we registered with the CTVET and that allows us to be able to teach them the basic things. Into your trade areas now your trade areas near cosmetology, catering, and then the garment in Sano Jumano and any trade areas no. Na yem person be konso keke omo brofo ne omo mat ne nyina so here. Yeah. Yes, into no we added all of them. And because of the opening no we are able to admit in Bema so because your memo person oya Bema no ne ni je aduane no aho. Into your person mo ye no they do it professionally. Ne ni je at the pam ho your person ye professionally. Ne ni je makeup na mbas ye nim se Bema or yeah, Majuma so the yana, ye pay a promo or more sempa. Bemo near the more markets, Bemo ye makeup or more markets, Bemo ye tea, Bemo pomade, intimacy and Bemano, a jomutu.
Okay. Let's just say school when you are coming 6 years they say and yeah a quite good to Marcas. Okay, and since now Mema Cajon and Manso Cahono. But say comparison kakra. Looking at the population of Emma and Memano, how much pound of business like I say or more population or more back for the vocational and skills training. Mammy for Mammy Juliana.
Okay, so this is a man dos. SMM because over kitchen no member to pay. Oh, okay. Just ended graduation that we had. I had 32 students, 2 male, 30 female. Into a man does because I Jane say a juma ready a ma a juma into a man no bache man because obi o wa ni fie so be maka say okusia wo minya comment bi say obi ka so besia kitchen fie ka chen say o kwadwuni be ma no pese be juma nti no so okusia kitchen na say enti sa say the be man full time job no but yenim o enti say be ma so o vocational school na so okusia kitchen say o kwadwuni on pese be juma nti na o kwasho da bi nansen emema ni bi ye aduane na say wo kotna wo na wo di awan kasa wo ti say it's a day about the room price. Yes, it's never stress. I mean, Busiano and then family and friends. And send a criticize your mono, Emma and Memani the confidence to come to that field. And to say, your best sensenia, ye casa found, say, be a me or babema of you know so, me person me kusia catering. I was saying who say or passion for ni money kwan na onkusia because I no person way mami nka say e ma adwuma dey they say ma ye me adwuma bebre nti I was saying so ye ma kwan na me ma ne so ewia ye die no bi yes nti no sanity
so even in this 21st century there was a social construct na man ye me adwuma me ma enye me adwuma the thing is asem we no ya kan ho asem bebre ya bon de gro bebre about this me da bia me resna me chechim gender equality and gender equity what you say me yan ka say equality na but I was say for equity so bata ho me di ka chechim dada e ofia say nti mo amohwe me de mo ti ase but still na say yenyan chadanya improvement bi e wo sa era mibisa say yeba GHIST school na in your quest to inculcate a man and mema into the vocational training near the more a specific activity be a from time to time to create awareness ana
for now
listen that me okay
yeah so on say is system I need to say a normal school system you register for into there's a time when after the graduation like this we know that we are picking a new set of people into sir awareness no Imran Besino a consort like your class sorry say
okay
we have a program like this now the year crowd program who say what dear in to meet your fees for Sisiano and yet to say senior Yashasiano and I was sponsored one too into no sponsored one to say I say ya register school with TVET and at TVET so because a national program or encourage vocational and technical training no because you won't say any book so the country and our government is trying as much as possible say or encourage the young youth to be involved in technical and vocational training to reduce the unemployment because we show the number of people who university and as some SHS some people money jumana and I do so but then sanu juma so de enka eboa ema upie ya na chese unye jumana esika no so asase ba no into ye encourage vocational and training to we no and yes I just agenda konko it's an entirely national thing and for it to even be a sponsored program it tells you say Omano is very interested in it so we have a sponsored it's a sponsored program where you register into some microphone saying the basic English, math, science, social studies now we have now the trade areas into by the time we be piano now said there over certificates I just say what's a brofo or only math and so craft no person you know to me into your boss had the room and she said so I again say omo yebeko schools no GSS omo mucho BC SHS omo mucho wasi nti so obetina fie kakra wo train result obetimi aba your courses for 2 weeks for 1 month for 3 months obetimi sent by the time obeko SHS no and by the time obeko university no won sanu ejuma na when you invest in pona say bia wutumi beki wutumi eyeti wutumi pamade the university is a very open and a free a community of freedom. I will to me akase further room say we both you and I said to me makeup and surely we were university students and we nails whilst we go school we both omo pamade into your boss ade room and your be cause also body room. I encourage you say young girls and then young gentlemen to also join.
And mon koso na mo memunya den ankasa because in this 21st century me expect say metis our comment ni bi but eno aso na yete every day bia eno na yete okay enti Lucinda o sha say oka the training for JHS and SHS leavers answer number call the next place and answer the next level of their lives 2 months wom 3 months wom person anka wo cheche ho no kakra mame anka wo put more details into it anka mepe
okay enti when it comes to yenim say students so which law final exams here yenim say omutina fie ebinum tina fie for 3 months for instance a BC for Trowe in June yenim so muko school October and September and that is like a space of 3 months or 4 months of staying in the house into yenim say into wuti fie no ebinum so mbeko classes but enyo bia na opeso beko classes and pre-SHS classes answer it is encouraged by yenim say ebi nso wo ho a no kre ye won kora neni jinsa no ejuma ho ya ye usha kora bia fine o ya dey school but naturally no pay at the pump naturally so osuan tibo naturally so osuan makeup and these things have become very attractive to them until we are encourage our force so we ba we interest it sana fanebra course or train results no ye beboa no amane hu sanya amane ama we ensanu ejuma so de won sa kanso de na eye wodi obi aso ntumi njimfu nsem wodi a enti no we have specialized programs for it and yes and uba sana then up so and uba ebia mpese machine pastry making mpese machine cake here mpese machine say na boti in a space of 3 months into no uba those short courses are specialized courses you concentrate on it
okay
into eno into say waba regular system na me de wo fa the usual English, math, social studies eno no uba minim say wo ba machine cake making into we focus purely on the cake making into in a space of 3 months 2 weeks 1 month depending on time I will want to catch and say, oh, me person machine BB in a space of 1 month. Then we can go through the terms and conditions. And he said this particular idea or person will see you bet me actually in a space of 1 month.
Okay.
Yes, when we enroll you on the program. And for every department, cosmetology, garments making, and then catering, we have things that we can teach you in these areas, and then we can take you to into Uba, school more. Now administrator. We have a list of the courses that you can run in a particular duration of time. Okay. You make the choice and then we enroll you. Yes.
Juliana, sorry, Lucinda. Medasi. Juliana, on chana meba na mako every mistake you. Me get my notebook and my pen. Me person me draw the importance of vocational and skills training. Mami steps na me.
Okay, let me see. Vocational training or vocational and skill training. Idea okay. Let me use myself as an example. Okay. When I completed GHIST, I wanted to do catering. Inti ni na they were calling me matron. Inti me share the meaning of matron. Okay. And I mean who say, okay, so this is my field. And uni me ebusia fui. Yes, see that a cow. Ana we are onye adwuma nye obi say ne ba wiye otifie onye adwuma nye and so we na ma me nye ska ma be ye me masem ne ade my mother was willing to sponsor but the family members so I had to stay home for so many years.
Wow.
And me ka share ade no nyam say me regret it.
Nice.
Even though they were against it, but Mrs. So I was just in the house, and then I was cooking. And the good thing is, when I cook and I see that people are eating, and then I'm happy. Okay. So I know that we na me person me.
Okay.
And minya kwenyano eco vocational school tema industrial machine technical and vocational school. And I'm me ejuma my and why I'm saying say is very very important is the job is there waiting for you. Because even if you are not employed, you yourself will be to me ABB.
Okay.
Because me was school mono. Whilst I was still in school, now me bakey.
Okay.
Inti me bakey. And the good aspect of it is your school no you more opportunity ma out. Where industrial attachment. Inti by the time I'll be you know what goes into what. Okay. Inti if you are asked to cook for a number of people, you know what to do. Okay. Yes. Inti catering and as a vocational important because first, and sasa wotna say obi ma we juma and sana why ye juma. Because repeat. Yes. Vocational school. So we are and say wotna si e twen say obi be fa wo say be ye juma and sana why ye juma. Before obi wie no you have the skill already. Okay. You can make meat pie, you can do cake, you can cook, you can do hair, you can do makeup. It was the students that were doing my hair for me when they come on hostel. And okay. You know that's the advantage for me being there. Okay. And they saw for me while they are still in the training. And you know, ube free one now ube kon uwe jumani dada. And me can say, yam koswambo de rule say. Pay more attention to vocational and technical school because no nebe boama o mine etumpong because me we university and I say me we SS na me tifie na me nye adwuma nye but me was skill na say minim say me fast CV bi si kwan nche metimi aye meat pie kama my so bolo kakra kan na say my fruit juice account adwuma na me obi be ba beji bi akoton me ma obi adwuma ye me soma obi so oh can you do this? Can you do this? I'm paying the person. Me ma obi adwuma ye. Yes. Enti vocational school is very, very, very important. I will say, yenya yeti asese and so when we invest in now it's fear. I mean, I have students with their masters and sometimes they can be like, okay, that it's a skill that you need. Yeah. And they finish and they come. And that's why we invest in because whilst you are doing your doctorate, you can also bake. Because I have a student ONS, just short course EB. Now, so your cake, now the twin status, now me who I say, wow, she's working.
It was a cake in it?
Yes. You understand? You know, it's very, very important. And we are, and on a beboa because we are rather creating the job. Whilst you are doing, for now, Grace, your students, while they are studying, they are also working. We have a delivery team. Institutions, private sectors, and then we also cook for homes. So if you want to have food for, let's say, for the week or for the month, you can contact us and then we'll do that for you. So when the student come, we get them involved. By the time I'll be during this graduation, because the students, my work is in graduate. So that's one advantage about Grace. So say, Oba school delivery na is the students we are using to work. And we pay them. So in you. Nice one. And by the time I'll be, if you decide to stay with us, we'll gladly employ you. And then you work with us. If you want to go out, we will just let you go out and exhibit what you have learned. And Grace was doing something. So we were school. And then now we say, start here, Juma. They have this startup fund that we're giving to students. And he says, students who were school. Ebi ame pese me no eduane ton but me ni ame the best start. Grace will give you money to start. And it's not like your mouse can e DBS home. Ye the mouth fire ejuma na dodo a ope time a obey ready say wan kasa wa ye ejuma wenye sika na ope say this can better so that ne ofi we chi ba ne so ebenya bi dia ye ejuma no you bring the money back. We are not going to chase you for it. And see this vocational and technical education is very, very, very important. And I'm telling our parents, say obasi obeko vocational school, and yes, our bones here. Sometimes if we say, obia bon, onima denti no peso kosia catering, there be a skill. And no quite be a dream more because there are certain things ye need and Obama say, Obika Jamesa, I said, you know, they know if you know, there be. Oh, school ni man abe say oh okay I was me di we count I was me di we because yes in we aduane man nipa 100 obeye den e den na me hia meye den kwa na manu aduane na me mboka enu nti na ye kire mass ni dia aka e count say na me sister kan ye no but what I say nti no yes vocational school is very, very important. Ti awofo no yesrem say oba we school na so obeko vocational men ka se bia oba no nim ade nti na opese oko vocational school mpacho obewie na ne yonko na oko oto asoko ye no oba onu mom ho aba be ye yes na onu mom abitianika because now that's how it is. You go to the university and then you come back to us and then you work with us and we will pay you. Ye mama na see ya born but enya sanity ni me na here but say nipa ni decide say obeye we ya men ka say is for the blockheaded bacho entisa. Yes, and Juliana medasi pa. I'm yan come ba kan because me no do na yema.
And my sister one okasacha ofu me kasacha youth no so. Most of us know we are on social media. And ejuma na nkasa krebi ni ho. And AI so eji ejuma ni biso efi en. And dobe we ejuma ye say an sisi anu ye software bia eye we ejuma ni ntinu ye nji ubiem. And no ntinu every company so e hwehwe nti sa opeso o suit and tie. E de kwat na ejuma mu no AI nso eji ejuma no so efi ensem. Na the basics in Sanu ejuma by the time AI be senior ye chi plantain chips Abeji ejuma ne fi ensem no na yenya isika ye pe wo musu da. Enti this is the time. As ye host e ken o si si na de na technology a aye niam ni bebre. O sha si no they are looking for things e betumi abo uti ama wa nipa. Nanso enye ndru ho enti no whilst the world is improving, we should also gain the skills. Now, your person catcher ahwefo so say program no so enye for GSS leavers and na SHS no aka so oh ye wo we SHS we university, you are a working class person, whether a doctor, whether a nurse, whether a lawyer. These things did be a bibia here. Yeah. Atade ebe koso ahye. Ye be koso edidi. Obe koso nya hoho. Party so dey enjoy. Inti cake ni ebedi. We need all these little, and then if I say one kasa you are hosting a group of friends, you can bake for them, you can cook for them. And I say one so what time they open to one power baby what time baby atia what why and it saves a lot of cost, right? In Sanjuma for no discount, no main hand ada. And more when you doctor for and nurse for. In Sanjuma for no scan warm ho. Now, mammy pama idea, or bet me I catch yourself. Me to make you say fear, me to make your car, or boys into me into your kind of man. And she's and I know she means business. Okay, internal and Sanjuma no ebwa. Unemployment here governments cannot consume, cannot accommodate a lot of us. Get your skill, get your money. And champona bia ubet me other people to also do it. We are really, and the youth need, I'm encouraging you. Learn it. If you even learn it for learning sake, learn it and use it as a hobby. And then ubet me is castle for me because when says can they pepper and they pay. Yep. And when you might end the MP, and when you might the MP, so and we here, yo, yes, so yeah, that's it, pa, yeah, that's it. As I'm not Nina no Macano, Nina, Uncle Hacker, basically, full stop is to an MP, will be out because I didn't even know a cashier. Near I can actually, Nana said, so now I won't say, I mean, him near Washer. And hey, sanity, into no bomber dancer, or the better I dream. Says, I don't win here, Chicher too. Eda ehun be hia no na wakwakofa sanity. Okay, yamba back to Grace Hill School of Technology, GHIST. Say me pese me fa forms as a regular student. Na pese me fa forms na me bus school ho na what's the process and hefa na me kwakoto no. Yeah, and then na menye certificate ne documents we na me hia.
So first o pese oba Grace Hill na obesiansa no djuma hodo aye bia obetimi aba school ho oba ye fondex you obeba beto administrator se ho no okay nti obekire no course na opese oye no and obema forms ye forms ne 100 cedis nti oba
na bo kranye de
100 cedis oh yes nti obefa forms na course bia ne amount a obetia
okay
yes nti enye the same thing nti ne opese oye no eno hu scanner obitia okay and then obanso a ebetimi ama contact number obetimi afre ofra nya pese obisa no obetimi abisa e na yenso ye de nya ohia na ama
okay
yes na obanso a ebenya ho abotre enu bedi nkomo den na opese oye onse ebi no mo basa na wate se obisi na danfo ko ho ntino so mpese bi ko bi e ba enu bedi nkomo a damn potina we need Jihwa, we need say, we shall say, Lucia, okay, yes. And I be so a car and I say, prize a down. And a duo how we need in Kumoyo, person sans so called dream home. Near Marcos, and person by just because you're a student into no. And yes, a person a rash decision until when you're bank and the end, the baby, I mean, a Jiwatundabi, and no bedin kumo. Into no dear over to me, maybe I won't hear more. Oh, person machine, the name Mimiska. They are choice. Oh, there's the sponsored courses that you can do, and I did the specialized courses that you can do. Into your fee paying student, and then you want more that TVET program and so.
Okay.
And no, the tuition for TVET program, for instance, the tuition is for free. You bet you are dealing for free, but certification, and as the process is ongoing, we will tell you the amount that you are supposed to pay for the certification and all that. Okay. And no, a free commission. but omo so omo ba say oh me ba besua this one in particular no so no it comes with certain amounts of prices that we will explain it to you. There are flexible payment plans for you to yen say when you buy ya just say into wentia yen will that be. There's a flexible payment plan and then terms and conditions that you are supposed to follow. And what bounce soon as we are not just accepting students from Cape Coast only.
Okay.
Your students of Mufia Sing for Su, your students of Mufi Kuforidia, your students of Mufia Accra, your hostel facilities. Your Jew school into no there's accommodation for you that you can stay and be in school. So and she saying now so
okay. Okay.
And I think so ba your practicals no Grace you provide you with all the tools you are going to need.
Mankasa mo the tools.
Yankasa you be ma tools out the be ye kosi se obewe.
Okay.
But the perishable items, they say tomatoes, flour, and the wankasa obeto.
Okay.
But all the tools and equipment you are going to need for the training, the school will provide for you.
There's equipment like, apart from Adriani ingredients.
Apart from Adriani ingredients, you know.
Okay. But there's a sick kind and
chopping board, everything will provide for you. Yes. So sell baby.
Nice one.
Yes.
What kind of practicals in Tina baby so apart from practicals, what's other mode of learning, teaching and you see at school?
That's the theory aspect, that's the one she spoke about.
Okay.
So we have the generics,
okay,
where we teach English language, entrepreneurship, and then social studies, and then we have science as well.
Okay.
Yes. Because we realize that they don't just need only the skills, they need that one as well to be able to express themselves when they go out. Ntina yedi sa enonina akanwa
okay.
Yes. And then the practicals. Okay, so when you come to the practicals now,
okay.
Every week you be a practicals.
Every week, once a week and twice a week.
Okay,
once a week.
It's every Wednesday. Anything I'm here.
Okay.
And see Wednesday be a busy day at Grace. So
okay.
It's a practicals every Wednesday, and then we'll give you the list. The food you are going to prepare. And you catch okay, and you buy fried rice. And then I'll be here. We'll give everything to you. One kasabako market. Now I could do Jan. Now the main country say, okay, go and buy rice alone kabako. You are cooking for 4 people.
Okay.
Here rice. One kasabako marketer. Unim send your abeto because you are chill. Then I could do Jan. Now they are about Tuesday. Say I will say your preparation towards it. I will do it, and then Wednesday morning we'll start.
Okay.
Yeah, field training and so. So, for instance, an aspect of catering, any hospitality. For the hospitality side, is the parts I usually handle. Into our principal gives room or makes arrangements. Say, able to me, I call baby to go and learn. And so, for instance, the recent students of graduate here say. Aspect of practicals na housekeeping and I say hotel and some no ye nchro mo ade no wo class nko a ye de muko nti ye de muko ebia ye de muko Ridge Royal and I say ebia Coconut Grove and I say any hotel that we have clearance to go to.
Okay.
The omuko sua senya ye ya ade no on say bi wo ha ade no nka yensa na ejuma nso what class na wo sua we wie no we wanye practicals bia wo yenso no dia ehia say ye the professional be ma natural nti de omukọ a professionals teach them say na mbeto mpa say na ye no wo hotel say na we front office ejuma wo hotel nti no we spend like a whole day there and then they run the shift. The departments, they take them through how the thing is done in the hotel. Here, the field training so here, and now, whilst additionally still customers, so we break them. We break them at a point in time so that they'll go and learn internship, hands-on job. No, into no. For instance, before we graduate, you know, your mom you call field work. Into cosmetology for you find obia or yeti and I say a salon. Okofa, a letter, okay. You go and learn how to do these things. You go and experience market nankasa. Catering and hospitality for sobeko, garment for sobeko, and you really a report from Unkoform Kosejumano so just so that practicals may be dimu. Into yes, a year or classroom. na yede theory ne nkwa akyerɛ mo ye kyerɛ mo de ebetumi akyerɛ mo practicals as teachers and then also ye ma mo kwan so mo kosua on the field so that by the time we be graduate no na the experience no na aye whole na aye holistic yes.
Okay Madam Juliana okay assembly about startup capital na abesi meeting sisi na msima mimbisa the whole arrangement about say ye ma usika na say wunni bia ye ma obi na wankasa uya na if you pay it back the same amount without any interest no much as some yes arrangement no I know that it's supposed to help the students but how effective is it?
Well yes that's it yes that's it maybe 2 years maybe 5 years
okay
I got to know that number of students have benefited from it and some of the students are almost passing through my hands too. They are also benefiting that they have set up their own catering that they are doing, catering service that they are cooking for. I know one person who is at Elmina. She has her own shop that she does the cooking, she does the pastries and then cakes as well with the help of the school setup. Yes, so they are really working with it and it's helping the students.
Okay.
Yes.
Asamba akoso a oka ye say na besi me say asam ne ekona bebre ba mechi. Oka say mo ye specifically with the cooking. Musua local and then continental dishes. Me I grew up in a Ghanaian home.
Okay.
Adrian bebre san kan besi me asua wo fie. Why do I have to come to school to learn local foods, learn how to cook local foods when I can do that in the house?
Okay. So to say who say event bebre okwa me deliveries and me je orders bebre eba order ne ba obema okay me pay rice dishes 2 me pay fufu me papa pranza
Okay.
me pay apese ni nkontomre ayapoto do you understand enti enye say e morning kwa because yenim say yedi ofie but say ba professional sema there's a different.
Yeah.
Yeah, the baby kakra can a bit different from what you are eating from the house. And then most people no ye free baby I won ako baby for. Inti bia ejumanti minya kwan kra anya aduane na me pese me yedi no that is the local food. Inti say me ba event I dey inti na wo say me ko so edi emu no. Abra me ti me edi fufu. Aha, enu nti na ama ye omoba ye de ka ho. Well, sometimes na obi wa can say ene yebebo ampesias. Ah, madam. Ampesi dey say minim you.
Sure. Enyo
ampesi bia na ampesi. Nti say ye practical zero no say okay. Do we can ha nti nyame e ofie na different from nyame be sua with school. Nti it's very important for us to add because ye mpese ye re nso be fi ye culture.
Thank you.
Ye duane no is our culture. Ghana region bia ni eduane a yedi wo ho. Nti se wo ba ye chew ni na abi. Nti by the time I be unim say okay say me koye event ama obi okuma say definitely there should be a fufu.
Of course.
And I'm PC. When I'm going to the Volta region. You ready
akwale
yes
omo pe akwale ni mokwa ye chipa mebo
abobitadi
yes
okay and I say bia me ye aduane akonkran so there should be a kinky yes nti no ye kire saa neoma ni nyina amase obi de an event be share won sa wankogu hu anim ase it is very very important say ye dey local no e be kan na enti se na enua ofie no difference o be social difference obi hu say enti se na enua ofie no yes and ye mpese ye be fi ya memre so
yes na me hwe me penti enti ashofo ni esefo nkomo na ya summarize na sa de ama no timu say a simple short and punchy details wo nti no make I will say a channel 514 Coastal TV digital na ye san so wo Facebook and YouTube say bia wentimi anya time any aunt na nkomoni man kwese awie ya no problem utimi ekọ YouTube and Facebook so ekotie nkomoni nyina ewo ho make sure say we be follow your channel no na wa subscribe comment na wo ampacho uja wa comment section na say ye be kan the amount so mo free ampo na say wasa me from ampo ndi answer emfa ma wa me from agi answer the amount sa netie na share the link ba ko na nka be share link no nti we so share link no oti ase channel obi anya bi sana se na se ne be obi anso ebe hu nkoma ye di ofi ase ebi ana obi decision our person will take in the skills and vocational training dependence ejina san nkoma we say obete we are now just like Madam Juliana nkofo bebre ama no discouragement abuna bemu wonchen but say what see we na no say okay and mama ntie ne nkofo kra beka the next step ejina sa interview we so nti bo modern say obe send the link na mobi no so ehun ne ekoso na enche ye be sorry nkomo no so na afei so ye de program aka no jumedi aka no ye de atwa so zanetie na so Grace Hill School of Technology almost say we here for pote.
Okay, Grace Hill you ankafo kwan so wo kwa ankafo on your right. There's a big signboard. So just climb the hill bra top obedru no. The signboard na sie gate na no pepepe. No an say urema ye be welcome fefefe.
Nice one. Say obi etie nkomo we nyina ye di tintintin a ye di o na se ye ba be pon interview no asamba ko ebi na nya asamba ko in fact bia one sentence ben na me kofie no obe pese se mankai hwe kra na menkai LUCINDA ma member of first
okay enti asamba ko a mempeso we be finish technical and sense and ejuma no enye fongo form abon na ejuma sem ade a so wusua ade a obi aso ntumi nji mfim sem abini abibia no aye wodia na enye se ade nso a woye a obetumi so ede enye sika nso as ejuma ye pe nyina no sika ntikwa na ye pe ye ejuma no na ye ka cho se insanu ejuma de wusua enya dia obebo hoka usika wodi be hyem no kran so no wonsa be ka usika be san so obenya ho enti no se ewo akoma so se wo pese usua insano ejuma mo obia and discourage you.
Okay,
right, follow your passion both in mema nema bema wo pese usua de pam follow it in bema mo pam ade no omo no mudi esika omo na mudi e man sika be ma opeso osua makeup ya bra opeso osua ti boy mo bi and discourage opeso osua duane no a mo bi and discourage e ma so je opeso osua ni se omo se e meme djuma na se we ni je eyi se cars esi hu so a pursue your dream e mo bi and discourage abrabo no de se wo ko wanimu a e no bi abeka se o sha ase yi na enim se e be sa so wo kese a ombeba and then they will come in the same people that discourage you will come and celebrate with you. So follow your passion and one day it would pay off.
LUCINDA me da se pa Juliana
asamba ko ameka me pese orebefi ene se usua ensano juma uko vocational school and also technical school a unwie entna se aban emma wejuma nya ansa na wenye ejuma ye.
Thank you.
Uwi a wankasa uwe ejuma ni dada. A wankasa nso ubetimi employ people ama omo nso enye ejuma ye. Nti nititi a ne se unwi embetena fie na afi wonsa ambehwe o maame no papa ni ma bra o maboka bebre di wako school ni na usa abetena fie na anopa wasa abeji chop money dey bi. So we are one kasa ubetimi equity employment. Thank you.
Menso medase pa Juliana SERWAAH ACHEAMPONG ene LUCINDA SEYRAM omieni ya ye acheche for ewo Grace Hill School of Technology aye trinity wa efreno GHIST na mibisa madam fu bi efreno J owo MCR o say say am we practicals na mo no aduana ya na hamu na edu o person obestra
okay because students na no mkodi omudwa edibeye omudwa no mu ye omudi ni na akofi
okay aduana ya wuti ni se okopɛ girlfriend wo nya sa dia abo enti no ye do bi asese watimi atenam na yetimi edi nkomoyi ade aba na wieye Bomodia say me kan no be ko Facebook ni YouTube say wentimi antena wo TV na chi anhwa obesimi ahwe ewo ye social media platforms no so na eno nso ebesimi abwa fefefe se ne SNF fata pacha mo pese mo chie obi am betimi achi obi ansa na meja mo kwan.
Okay, so you better your mommy before I be chia no ye de aseda kese be my mommy between sana mama nsa say onya that vision to help young people in Central Region. Na nyame de to na koma so no wantena so na mom, even though I started here now on Jiska, but she had a passion for it and she was doing it from her heart. Nti ye ka say baby obi anyankopon enkoso amfa ne kra nsie ye na ne legacy na ojaye no so ye bebo modern na enso ya boa ama obi bie I was say o benefit from what she started no obi abenya akonya ababy ye be chia Grace was school for nyina any teachers or more Grace in and most importantly our principal Professor Jefusana Mamensa yeda wasi baby wa akonya sonko ade bia wo de maye say yenso yembe boa na vision a wife enya ye no amanfo nso enye mu chefa nyame sha obi bia edase
Amen. LUCINDA
and one or
Chama ya woni masanga Okay, yeda obi bia so asese utimi etina interview mu na ohwe ni nyina ye beja mpanyimfo kwan amomako na mom Coastal TV morning mix jumedie no yeda so a ewo ha medical culture say ye newspapers no aba beju fresh and hot afi no ma print awie into no ye the review no so ye the bebro nti bomode answer on ye ebetina ha channel no 514 ye jawa for kratwo ye nche o ye bisamba sisi a twen ye